For 18-year-old Kennedy Alberhill, survival in a collapsing world hinges on 3 rules. First, don't get caught in the blue rain. Second, don't let the neons infect you. And third, don't ever let your guard down. Jacqueline, welcome to today's video. I am super excited because today I am talking about this really amazing book called Blue Rain by Catherine Olaso. And before I even get started, this is a book that my aunt published. I really want to help my aunt because it's an amazing book. I read through this like this. It is such an easy read, perfect for young adults and teenagers. It's a fiction novel and it is amazing, so I definitely recommend this book to everyone. Where you can purchase this book is on Amazon.com, so I will have the link right here on the screen as well in a little box right here on the screen that you could click, and then it will direct you straight to the site, or I'll have it linked down below for you guys to click on that. But if you guys want to purchase the book, it is on Amazon, and I would really appreciate if you helped her out with it. That would mean the world to her and me, so hopefully you guys could do that if you guys like reading or if you just want to read a really good book. This one is definitely one you should read. Also, stay tuned to the end for a giveaway with a few little cute prizes that you guys might want to receive. But let's hop into this video about what this book is about. I'm just gonna give you like an overview so you guys could have an idea of what it is about. And what you guys saw before this was kind of like my little take on a little trailer that I kind of made with my mom, and it was super fun to make. And basically I was a neon, which is in the book. So the story is about a girl named Kennedy, and she's an 18-year-old and she has her little brother, and basically they are driving one day and this blue rain starts falling and they don't know what it is, but they notice that the people outside start screaming and they don't know what to do, and they're turning like into a zombie like creature, and their eyes turn blue, like just bright neon blue. And these creatures are called neons, and they're very dangerous and you don't want to get caught by them. So this book is about Kennedy and how she survives. There's also a little love story in there for all you little romantic girls and boys out there. So there's that little love story which I absolutely love, and it's just really like catching your attention when you read it. Like the first like few pages, like they already catch your attention. You're like, oh, I want to read more. What happens next? What happens next? Like, I don't get like that with books, but this book I definitely did get like that. So honestly, it's an amazing book. At the end of the book, there's like a little twist, so you guys should definitely read it to find out what happens. It's exciting. I promise you guys, you won't regret it. It's an amazing read. So make sure to go check it out on Amazon.com. I love it so much. And now let's get into the little giveaway. So the way to enter this giveaway is super simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my main channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and also leave a comment saying kind of anything or like what your favorite book is. So just leave me only 1 comment per user. And also if you guys want to share it on your Facebook page or Twitter or Instagram, that would be really helpful. So there's going to be 5 winners, and they're winning 3 cute little prizes. So first off, you're going to be winning a brand new copy from the Blue Rain book by Catherine Olaso, and it has a cute little ribbon around it, as well as a blue nail polish going with the blue theme, and some fuzzy socks that remind me of Frozen, like. And who doesn't love fuzzy socks? I love fuzzy socks. I have a million pairs, and these ones are super soft. So there will be 5 winners, and I will use random.org. This giveaway is US only. I'm super sorry about that, but anyone can enter if you live in the US, and it's super simple. And just as a little side bonus little thing, anyone who orders the book off of Amazon and you send me a screenshot of like your order that you ordered the book, to my Twitter or Instagram or Facebook page. I will follow you guys on your Instagram or Twitter, or subscribe to you on YouTube, whatever you want, what one you want. I will subscribe or follow you on there because I just want to give back to you guys if you do that for me. So that would be super helpful. But I hope you guys want to enter this giveaway or buy the book because it's an amazing book. And it's like, it would honestly help my aunt so much, and since I love her, I really want to help her with this project. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and good luck with everyone entering, and I see you guys next time. Bye! I believe.